Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so promote ko lang ang Sagittarius bracelet. Ito ay nag-align sa energy ng Sagittarius. Meron tong red agate, carnelian, at smoky quartz. Available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's begin. Sag. What's coming to you? October 23 to 29. Sagittarius. You have the Three of Pentacles. The Magician. Seven of Staves. And the Nine of Staves. Okay. So, first of all, Sag, you are very talented. Maraming gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo, maraming gustong makatrabaho ka, makasama ka. It seems kasi na they are recognizing your talents, your skills. Alam nila na magaling ka. Oo. But, hindi lahat ng yan, maganda yung intention sa'yo. So, be very careful in choosing, no, sa pagpili ng mga taong you will be working with. Lalo na kung ito ay may kinalaman sa pera. Pwede ring a form of investment. So, be careful. Make sure na may protektado ka, no? Yung merong kontrata, maayos naman yung kontrata, yung mga ganon. And even sa trabaho, no? Make sure na alam mo yung rules and regulations, nung mga clauses, mga kung ano-ano pang nakalagay sa contract bago ka pipirma. Okay? Because you are very talented and people are recognizing that. I also see na meron kang project or ginagawa ngayon or trabaho, career, business na hindi mo binibitawan kasi naniniwala ka na ito ay magiging successful or magiging successful ka dyan sa field na yan. What is the Three of Pentacles? You have the Two of Wands. Collaboration talaga to. This can mean pwedeng creative collaboration for some of you. May mga options, hindi lang isa yung nakikita ko rito na you will be working with, or hindi lang isang opportunity, no? It can be two or more. The Magician. Oh, this is the Six of Wands. Wow. Six of Wands energy is success, okay? Yung talents mo, yung skills mo, especially if you are good in communications, in social media, any form of communication, magaling kang magsulat, magaling kang makipag-communicate, magsalita, no? This is going to bring you success. And kung iniisip mo or parang nagsa-second guess ka sa sarili mo na hindi ka ganun kagaling, wag ganon kasi magaling ka. Andyan na yung yung mga tools na kailangan mo to make your life successful. Okay? You just need to recognize that. What is the Seven of Staves? You have the Eight. Nako. 7 pala. The Seven of Swords. Diba I was just talking about this kanina? Merong mga sneaky people sa paligid mo. Yung parang mga nagmamatsyag, nag-oobserba sa'yo. Some people na they want to bring you down, mga deceitful, mga hindi maganda yung intentions towards you. Pwedeng may mga naiinggit. So, you have to protect your energies. Okay? You have to protect your energies. Mararamdaman mo yan eh. Kung nakikita mo na masaya ka naman o things are doing well for you, and whenever you share it sa iba, parang hindi mo ramdam yung tuwa nila for you. Alam mo yun? So, you will feel it. So, protect your energies. What is the Nine of Staves? You have the Six of Pentacles. Wow. So, alam nyo, Sag, whatever you are focusing on, working on, worth it naman kasi talaga yung ano yung efforts mo dito. Oo. May mga times na nakakapagod, parang feeling mo walang nangyayari, hindi mo nakikita yung resulta, but actually, you just need to be patient. Kasi with the Six of Pentacles, kung ano man yung effort na binibigay mo, yun yung marireceive mo. So, kailangan, effortan mo talaga para makita mo yung resulta. Okay? And yung resulta na yan is beneficial para sa'yo. Let's see, ano pa. Oh, 'di ba? Meron kang Jupiter in Taurus in the second house. Second house is about your finances, your values, your talents. So, with Jupiter here, ito yung planet of good luck. So, parang, ina-amplify niya yan, no? So, maraming opportunities for you pagdating sa finances, pagpapalago ng kaperahan mo, ng properties mo. You also have Mercury in Scorpio in the 8th house. Merong pwedeng pilitin ka or ipilit sa'yo na paniwalaan ng isang bagay. So, syempre, meron kang sarili mong isip, no? Gamitin mo yon as, parang use your discernment na you have your own judgment if you are going to believe that, no? And then you have the moon in Aquarius in the 11th house, which is about independence. Yes, moon is about your emotions, how you deal with your emotions, and yung care mo about people. So I feel like some of you are very helpful, no? Marami kayong gustong tulungan na tao. And the more na may natutulungan kayo, the more na kayo ay i-bless. Plenty of material things. So, diba? This really makes sense. Oh, diba? With the Jupiter in the second house, which is your money house. Oh, happiness and well-being for you, Sag. Kaya naman pala may mga inggit sa paligid ninyo Oh, meron ding celebration, fun, and enjoyment. So, merong reasons for you to celebrate. Strong emotion, passionate love or hate. Okay. May strong emotion dito. I think this is something na related pwedeng sa mga passion mo. Oo. Pwede ring meron kang kainisan na tao. Pwedeng marirealize mo, itong taong to hindi pala to talaga supportive sa'yo. So, you might hate that person. Pamper. O, diba? Wala kang pakialam sa iba. Iniisip ng iba sa'yo. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. So, you're going to prioritize yourself. You will take care of yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.